Okay, today is January the 5th and our system has traded a few more positions here. Currently we have $291 of profit, and most of you will know that this is about all of the details that MetaTrader provides in the history and in the trade tab. But there is a way to get much more detailed information. And I would like to set up an online account that is able to give us more data. Formerly I was using my FX book, but I think FX Blue is better, as I have seen some of my accounts on my FX book have not been updated correctly. The setup is a little bit weird. First we need to go to the site, then we need to go to analyze your trading account. Here is a login. And I already have login details, but for each account we need to provide different details, and we need to click on the register button here. Now it's asking for the broker, and it looks like they don't support MetaQuotes, which is actually very weird, as MetaQuotes is the company who invented MetaTrader. So that's the next problem. Let's click on my broker server is not listed. And now they suggest I should contact them and ask them to list the broker for me. But I guess that will not be fast enough. So I guess I will have to switch again and use this account here. It wasn't recognized as a demo account before, and there's a reason for this. So let's see what goes on behind the scenes. This is the meta editor which we use to create MQL5 expert advisors, or as you might call it, algorithmic trading systems. This is the one that I use. This is the source code which is used by the system. And here you can see stuff like account info double, or in my case I will use the documentation online. Here is something that is called account trade mode demo, and this is used to identify demo accounts, but not all brokers are able to provide the correct value. So what I have to do is I need to now add my RoboForex account as a licensed account, which is also what I do for my paying customers and clients, but I can't do that in a source code, because I'm using a compiled library here, which also contains the logic for the account licenses. So I will have to do that manually once this video is finished. So for now we made $291 on this MetaQuotes account, but I think I will have to change to the RoboForex account on Monday, or I have to publish the MetaQuotes demo account on my FX book. Today is Friday, so I think with a few hours to go, this will be about the weekly result. For now, that's it. I say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.